This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Jeanette Saner. Affordable sportsman's camp in rural Juniata County. Just 5 miles from Bald Eagle State Forest. Bring your tools and splash of personality to turn this unique opportunity into a cabin retreat from your crazy, busy lifestyle. One large open bedroom on second floor. Barrell wood stove in basement for alternative heat. Replacement windows. Well and septic convenience on site. Stream on property in rear wooded area. Plenty of parking for 16 vehicles. Taxes only $174.34 per year. Call to see this diamond in the rough today. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeanette Saner at 717-436-8200.